Hi guys, what's up? This is Freelancer Nastim once again. Today's topic is about how to generate links of any product on ThemeForest or Envato website, which is really a great website of any kind of WordPress or HTML or Bootstrap template. People actually sells their scripts on that website, and some people are also working as an affiliate and promoting some products, and they are selling someone's products and they are making money based on commissions. All right, so previously I made a video how to apply as an affiliate on their website. Maybe it is ThemeForest or Envato, and I also told that after applying, when I would get approved, then I would make another video how to generate links of any product and then promote. Okay, so this is the second video and I have got approved on their website. Today I got a mail. That's why today's video is all about how to generate links and promote the offers. But I would really request you or recommend you to watch the first video. The video which is actually right now being displayed on my screen. This video you should watch it before you watch the video right now which is playing right now on your screen. Okay, because this is the second video. If you don't watch the previous video, you won't be able to understand what I'm doing right now, how to generate links, because once you get approved, then only you can actually get the options which I will get right now after logging on their website. Okay, so I have provided this video's URL in my description. Kindly watch that and then come to the video, this one actually, then watch this video. Okay, now here's the email I got from Envato. It says, welcome to the Envato Market Affiliate Program. All right, hi MD, this is my first name, Muhammad. All right, it says welcome aboard. It's great to have you on board on our affiliate program. We have created some videos to guide you through a number of case steps when getting started. All right, check them out here. So once you get approved, if you have any problem to understand how they promote offers or how you should promote offers, you can actually watch their videos they have made for you. They can actually train you. You can watch tutorials about how to promote offers. So they actually have their official tutorials. Those are really standard. You can understand very easily. Okay, so you can click here and go there and then watch. But I don't need to do that because I know how to do these things. Okay, if you were an affiliate to on our old system, linked your old Envato Market Affiliate account legacy to your new Impact Radius account. No, I had no account previously, but this is my new account, so I don't have to do it. But if you had an account on their website previously, you can actually click this link and visit the link, and then you can actually watch how to connect your previous account with this new account. All right, now we will go to envato.com and then we will log in and see what kind of things are actually existing on the dashboard. Okay, let's go. Envato affiliate login. I'm clicking over here. All right, Envato make affiliate program. I'm clicking here and then I will visit their login page, and after that become an affiliate. No, I have an account, I should log in. All right, affiliate sign in, this one. So this is the login box. I gotta put my username. Here's the username and password. Let's see. Sign in. Oops, it says wrong password. Why? I made a mistake and that's why it could not be logged in. Okay, right now it works fine. And this is our dashboard. All right, complete your withdrawal setting so we can help you. Oh my God. So I've got this account after 3 days. All right, so the first video, if you watch that, if you follow all of the instructions provided in my first video, you can actually get approved like that, because the informations which I provided on my video, the first video, there were actually enough informations and enough lectures, and everything was really great, because after doing that I got approved. So that video is really important for you. Clicking complete withdraw setting. Maybe I have to connect my bank account number. All right, yeah, it says Bangladesh, or pay me when my balance reaches threshold. How much? I would like to get paid almost $50. When I get rich up to $50, I will get paid. Okay, and then payment method fixware. Oh my god, beneficiary account and name, Swift code, and account number. All right, I have to provide my bank informations. All right, let me open my notebook. Wait, I couldn't remember my banking account number, and that's why now I need to visit. Okay, just a minute. I'm opening my notebook diary, and I'm watching. Or I should have my bank account number, or where? Over here, right? Informations. No. Here. Yeah, I have my bank account number here. Here's my bank account number. Personal and saving. Name is MD Nasim. So I'm adding Dutch Bangla Bank Limited in my country. This is a local bank in my country. They can actually send money to my account. There's no problem. Account number. Here's the account number. Swift code. Okay, Swift code should be. There's no Swift code. I'm just visiting. Swift code. Swift code. I should get it here. Network problem. So after getting approved, they want you to do the setting of your withdraw, because this will be got it. Here's the Swift code. Copy and then paste here. Done. So my bank is getting connected right now. Save it. Okay, my bank account has been connected with Envato affiliates program. Now I'm going to dashboard. We are all set up. Our account has been set up right now. If I want to create any link, I can just put here any URL of any product and then apply, then I'll get the link. That's it. So show me advanced settings. No, Savari don't need to provide. Enter a landing page, create a link, apply. No. Use the link below to promote your selected campaign. Okay. Now this is our dashboard where overview you can watch your reports. How many sales have you made, and any kind of information about the payment balance or something like that. Those are really easy things. I don't think I have to discuss about these things actually. Performance per day, performance by campaign, saved reports, scheduled reports, scheduled reports actually, all reports and campaigns. My campaigns, pending actions, proposals, and imminent charges, no need. Searches, promo codes, add requests, add tools, don't need to do it. Earnings, withdrawals, and withdraw setting, partner fund transfer. Oh, you can also send funds from your account to your friend's account. That's kind of good. Okay, now where I'm going, I should search for a product link. On my last video, I was working with Envato theme. I'm right now visiting that theme's page, and I'll get the URL. So Envato theme forest. This one. So this theme is actually really very popular, and they get a lot of sales per day, and that's why I'm also interested to work with this theme. I'm just taking this URL and then I'm putting it here, apply, and it will generate a link. That's it. Copy. This is my URL. Okay, copy link. Link has been copied, or you can also work here. They have also gave you a lot of products under this option. All right, so you can just search here, Envato. Wow, really great option, man. I'm clicking here. After clicking, I should get that theme. Oh, not working. Why? These are maybe their featured products. I think so. No, really. These are the banners they have generated. All right. You can also get banners. Let's see how it works. Theme forest. I'm just taking this code. So this is your banner. Okay, if you want to buy, if you want to make sales, you can put this code on your website's description. When you write any blog or any article, you can put this link, and this kind of picture will be displayed. And when someone visits your web page, if they read your blog, and then if they watch this image, if they need the theme template, then they will also click on this link. And if they purchase the theme, then what will happen? You will get paid almost $30 per sale. No, not $30 actually, almost 30%. So $60. If you calculate it as 30%, you're maybe getting almost $10. All right. So in this way, you can also actually get codes and generate links of any product, and then how you will apply. How you will actually promote your offers. It's up to you. Okay. I have my YouTube here. Since I'm a programmer, what I can do is I can actually create videos about themes and templates, the best templates I can make video with, and then I can actually put my link underneath my description. Underneath my video, in my description, I can actually recommend themes, because I have almost 1 lakh subscribers on my channel, and that's why when I make videos, people will actually trust me. If I recommend any kind of theme, people will buy that. That's it. So I have an audience on YouTube. If you have a website, you can also promote your link over there. But you can also do email marketing as well. If you have a landing page, and if you do SEO marketing, then you can also promote your product link on that website. So how can you promote? Or you can also search here, how to promote Envato products. How to submit theme in Envato. How to sell products on Envato. How to promote affiliate products successfully with a website. If you don't have a website, I would really recommend you to watch these videos. There are thousands of videos and bunch of informations about how to promote offers. If you don't have a website, then these videos are only for you. So guys, my task is done. Some people requested me to create an account on Envato network as an affiliate. I have created the account, and I have shown you how to get approved, and that worked actually 100%. All right. So my task is done, and I think I'm gonna work on the website, but I will actually promote offers on my YouTube channel. That's it. But since I don't have website, I don't have any other source of promoting any kind of offers. So I'm gonna use my YouTube channel. That's it. But if you don't have any YouTube channel, or if you don't have any kind of website, then you should watch these videos step by step. Watch this one, then this one, then this one, and then this one. So this video will actually help you to promote your offers without any website. They will show you how to where to promote your offers, and how to make sales, generate sales. So I think everything is okay today. And if there is any other problem you have, let me know on my comments box. I will try to make other videos about those problems. But right now, I had 2 tasks. The first one was how to apply, and the second one was what to do after getting approved. So I have logged in after approved, and I have shown you how to do the setting of the withdraw. Okay. So now I'm going off since it's almost 5:28 p.m. right now. I have to go out and I have to meet my friends. All right. So thank you so much for watching for the video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you like it, if you want videos like this in future, kindly subscribe the channel, and yes, I will just request you to share the video as well. So thank you so much. Bye bye.